So you've deployed your BYOD solution. While BYOD gives users the freedom to use their personal devices, this also means over 10 to 50 apps per device are entering and exiting your network. Not all apps are yours. Many are coming from the public cloud. Managing your own apps is easy. It's those public apps that pose unknown security threats along with hackers targeting your enterprise data services. Say a guest connects into your Wi-Fi network. You want to regulate what public apps they can use and what they cannot. Maybe you want to manage your bandwidth better, or enforce corporate compliance policies. Or you just want better protection for your enterprise service boundaries. Some of the things that MobileO2 does pretty well. Protect your infrastructure. Manage all your mobile app security with precise policy controls. MobileO2 is built by industry veterans who know and understand the ins and outs of mobile security. Oh, by the way, MobileO2 plays well with your existing MDM, WLAN, and firewall solutions, so you don't need to start from scratch to turbocharge your mobile application security. Go ahead, get started. For free. Use it for life. MobileO2.